And this is basically inside my crib. Everything is fucked up. Flooring, walls, projector. I don't even know who the fuck shit this is. This ain't even my shit. This is somebody else's shit. My projector's under there. This is somebody's fucking freezer. This is not mine. Holy shit. My fucking cameras is over there. I wonder if my cameras got the fucking footage of this shit, but I don't know. I have no fucking idea. I just came to check on my fucking Monte Carlo and see if motherfuckers ain't been in this motherfucker trying to steal shit, you know? So it's crazy. It's crazy. Motherfuckers been in my closet. See if they took my fucking car. Nope. She's still in here. She's still safe. So praise God. Praise God. My baby's still in there. I don't even know if I should even attempt to go upstairs, but I'm going. See if I can find Chanel's shit. But it's over with. It's over with. This place is over with, bro. Over with. I think these are my couch cushions that were downstairs that are now upstairs. Shit crazy. Chanel's grandma. Let me show you it. Kept her safe in this bitch. Here it is right here. Chanel's grandma kept her safe. Oh my God.